Hey everyone, this is Osama Kobayashi from Zen Ideas. Today I want to talk about dynamic visibility for Elementor and share the top 3 use cases you can apply right away. So in this tutorial, we will explore 3 powerful use cases for dynamic visibility and how Crocoblock's tools can make it incredibly easy to implement them. So here is today's agenda. So first, I want to explain what is dynamic visibility is and how it works in Elementor. And I want to talk about 3 use cases. The first one is show content only to log in or log out users. And the number 2 is display special offers based on user activity. And the last one is set content based on the day of the week. Well, maybe I can show you the time of the day. All right, so let's get started. All right, so before you begin though, you need to have JetEngine plugin installed, okay? And go to module on the left side menu here, and then make sure your dynamic visibility module is enabled, all right? Now, let me quickly explain what dynamic visibility is. So dynamic visibility allows you to show or hide website content based on specific condition, making it possible to create personalized user experience. Okay, so instead of displaying the same content to every visitor, dynamic visibility ensures that only relevant information appears, whether that's based on user role, logged in status, time-based trigger, or custom field. Okay, so now I enabled that dynamic visibility, so you can select columns or even like entire section or just a widget here, just like heading here, and go to advanced, you'll see dynamic visibility option here. Okay, and you can just enable that, and then here you can show or hide element if the condition met. And if you click condition, there's lots of options here. Okay, so you can kind of browse through. But today, I want to just show you only top three user cases. All right, so let's get started. All right, for this demonstration, I'm using a simple restaurant website. So the first section, let's scroll down, is contact the chef section. All right, so as you can see, I'm currently not logging. Okay, so I cannot view the chef's email address or phone number. Okay, so there is no contact information visible. So to reveal that information, I need to log in. So there is a login form here. Okay, so let's do that. So I'm going to just I just put the username and password and then hit the login button here. All right, so let's scroll down here a bit. Okay, here we go. So now, once I'm logged in, you'll notice that the chef's email address and the phone number now appear. At the same time, the login form disappears because I'm already logged in. Okay, so this is exactly what dynamic visibility allows you to do. Control which content appears for logged in user and which content appears for logged out user. So now let me show you how I've set this up. All right, so let's go to Elementor. So here's the contact the chef section. So I got his email address and the phone number. It's already revealed. So this is just a text editor. And below that, so I have another text editor has so email address is lots of access and a phone number has lots of access. They cannot really guess. So and about the third section or the third element is a logged in form. So this is just jet form. Okay, so I've created a logged in form here. Okay, so we got 3 elements here. Now, so let's investigate the first section here, or first element, and let's go to advanced. Okay, and scroll down. So dynamic visibility. So you just enable this. Okay, and this one show element if condition met. Okay, and the condition is right here. So it's lots of the user status here. So I chose user logged in. So this means that whoever logged in user can see this element. Okay, now let's look at the bottom down here. So it's same text editor, but go to advanced and scroll down. So there is a dynamic visibility and enable this and the show element if condition met. Now I chose user not logged in. Okay, so if you are not logged in, you can see this element. Make sense? And then third section, this is login user form using JetEngine form. So same thing, go to advanced and scroll down, dynamic visibility, enable this section or enable this dynamic visibility and the show element if condition met. And then once again, show element, this section is user not logged in. Does that make sense? All right, and hit publish it. All right, let's move on to use case number 2, displaying special offer based on user activity. If you want to show special offer based on user's action or status in Elementor, you can do that using the dynamic visibility module. So this lets you display discounts or exclusive deals only to certain users, such as returning visitors or logging customers. So let me give you an example here. All right, so I have two browsers side by side. On the left-hand side is for just regular visitors. So as you see, so it's not logged in. All right, so that's the left side. And the right side browser is login. So he's a customer who purchased before. All right, so let's scroll down on the left-hand side here. Now you get the gift certificate 10% discount deal here. Okay. Now on the right-hand side, so let's scroll down. Now gift certificate 20% discount for our customers. So based on the user role, you can show different element using dynamic visibility module. All right, so let me show you how I did it. And for this demo, I use WooCommerce for the online store. And WooCommerce automatically assign the customer role to user who complete purchase. Okay, so if it doesn't work for you, so you have to go to WooCommerce and the settings, and go to account and the privacy, and make sure the options for allowing account creation during the checkout or on the account page are enabled. Okay, then go to user and confirm customers have the customer role assigned. So let's go to users here. And I have, yeah, he's assigned as a customer because who purchased, and also another one. Yeah, so this last user also made a purchase. So automatically assigned to customer role. Okay. And for this demo, for the pop-up banner, I'm using a JetPopup. So let's go to JetPopup here and all pop-ups. And here I already created. So hit edit with Elementor. If you haven't, just click here to create a new pop-up. Okay. All right. So just the user and edit with Elementor here. So as you see, I got the two sections here. So the first section is just the 10% discount. And you just select the entire section here. And then go to advanced. And as you see, dynamic visibility option here. So make sure you enable this. And then visibility condition type is show element if condition met. Okay. And the condition is I pick user role is not, okay, not customer. Okay, so user role is not customer. Okay, because this is for everyone except for customer role. Okay, now let's move down to the bottom section. Okay, so this is 20% discount for our customers only. Okay, now let's go to advanced and dynamic visibility, enable this option and show element if condition met. And as you can guess, so user role is customer. Okay, so that's it. And then you just save and publish. All right, so let's test it out. So this is just the regular visitors, not a login, not a customer. So if you scroll down, you'll see just 10% discount. Now, so let's log in as a customer. So I'm gonna hit the login here. All right, so he is a customer, and then just log in. So as you can see, he's already logged in. And let's scroll down, and you see 20% discount for our customer banner. Okay. All right, let's move on to the last use case. Set content based on the days of the week. Now you can display the different content based on the day of the week, what time of the day. So this is useful for businesses that offers daily specials or weekly promotions. All right, so let me show you here. So this is the same page, and I have three sections here. So first one is Tuesday special deal. So this is taco special for $16. It's available only for Tuesday. Okay, and then Thursday special, it's the wings for $16. So this is available for only Thursday. And the last one is breakfast special. It's available for every day, but it's only from 7 to 10 in the morning. All right. And with JetEngine Dynamic Visibility module, you can do this kind of stuff without coding. So I just select the section here for the Tuesday special, and go to Advanced, and then go down to Dynamic Visibility. It is enabled, and the Show Element if condition met. Now, if you click that, the condition, so there's the date and time here. So days of the week. Okay, select that. And here, so you can select which day. So this is only Tuesday. So I select the Tuesday. Oops, I select the Tuesday here. And if you can set the multiple days too, if this is available Monday and Tuesday. And the next one is, it's the same thing. So Thursday, go to Advanced, and the Dynamic Visibility enabled, and show element if condition met. All right. So this is the condition, is the date of the week. This is only Thursday. And also you can add items only certain day, certain time. So you can just put this is only available for 5 o'clock to 8 p.m. This is probably good for like happy hour stuff. Okay. And the last one is breakfast. Okay. So same thing. So go to Advanced, and the Dynamic Visibility. Let's enable this, and show element if condition met. And the condition is time period. Okay. So this is every day. And starting 7 in the morning until 10 a.m. All right. So, and just hit publish. Okay. So let's check out the result. So now it is actually December 4th today, which is a Thursday. It's Thursday at 3:37 in the afternoon. So let's scroll down here. Okay. So it doesn't show anything because it's there's a Tuesday deal. Even though Thursday, we have a Thursday promotion, but it doesn't start until 5 p.m. So it doesn't show, and the breakfast is over now. So this page, it doesn't show anything. Now, I don't want to wait until 5 o'clock. So just let's hit this, go back to Elementor editor, and then go to Thursday. And let's change this time period. So I'm going to just start 14, which is 2 p.m. and then hit the publish. Okay, and let's go back to this page and then refresh that. All right, so now you can see Thursday special, 12 wings for $16. All right, so now it shows that. I think the Dynamic Visibility module is a very powerful tool. And the best part is that you can do all of this without writing any code. And as you've seen, there are many different conditions you can set. And the possibilities are almost endless. And today I just showed you 3 examples, but you can easily expand on these ideas to create highly personalized pages. And it allows you to build efficient and user-centric website. So this feature is especially useful if you're running membership website, an e-commerce store, or community platform. And the JetEngine Dynamic Visibility ensures that the right content is shown to the right audience at the right time. So that's all for today. If you are new to the Crocoblock channel, please make sure to hit the subscription button and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out any upcoming tutorials. And thanks for watching, and see you next time.